Good morning guys, in front of me is Infinix HOT 40 Pro and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select System. It's at the bottom of Settings list. Click on Date and Time and click on Auto Set Time. Now you have to switch it off and now just pick date and time manually by yourself. So that's it. Then if you wish to switch the time format and also time zone, you can do it the same way. Just unmark the toggles and then select it from the list and here manage the format of your clock. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.